everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your personal portfolio using Canva. I've been freelancing for almost 3 years already, and one of the very first requirements of clients are showing a portfolio. So why do you need a portfolio? So before we start designing, let's quickly talk about why you need a personal portfolio. Portfolio is your visual resume. It showcases your work, your skills, and tells potential clients or employers what you're all about. So it helps build trust and credibility. Okay, so there are a lot of ways where you can create portfolio. There are a lot of free tools where you can create your personal portfolio. You have Notion, Canva, Adobe, Beacons, and a whole lot more. Even your Google Drive can become a portfolio. Even your social media accounts like my TikTok account, that was my very first portfolio. All right, so if you don't have a Canva account yet, just go to canva.com and create an account for free. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Canva. And in the search bar, just type portfolio. Canva will show you tons of ready-made templates. Perfect if you want to save time. So Canva is the easiest way to create social media graphics, portfolio, everything, and even a website. All right, so choose the design you'd like to create. So I want something that is simple and minimalist. Let's type freelancer portfolio. All right, so it will show you lots of templates. So for example, let's choose something that, so for example, this one or this one. Yeah, this one. Once you've chosen the template that you want to customize, just click customize this template. This is the portfolio. You just need to edit and drag and drop. Okay, so let's start with the first page. So this is the first thing that your client or your employer, let's replace the name. So for example, Novi Design. All right, so social media marketing and freelancer. So for example, let's replace the image. So you can upload files and you can drag and drop the image that you'd like to put on your homepage. So for example, this one. So you can choose something that's, all right, so let's make it larger like that. All right, so now you have your homepage and then you can tell more about them. All right, so for example, this one, you can also put buttons here. Hire me, download CV. To customize the button, you can put here, click this one, and then click link. So you can put here your Calendly link or any booking app. For example, I want to put my Calendly link there. And you can also do the same with all the links. So you can just click the link, put the link here. Okay. Once you've added your about page, your home page, and your photo, and the call to action buttons, you can also add your education, your skills, and the services that you're offering. So you can also put some client testimonials because, social proof is very important. All right. So that's testimonials and the reason why they're choosing you. You can put here your expertise, your personalized solutions, and your approach. And so keep it clean and simple. Use brand colors if you already have them. And your contact information. Okay. And finally, the last page is the call to action page. All right. So this is how the portfolio works. Your home page says about who you are. So introducing yourself. So it's like a story. So your portfolio has to be a story of you. So when you translate this into a video, so hi, my name is Novi Disan and I am a social media marketing freelancer. So I'm dedicated social media marketing freelancer with a strong track record of helping blah, blah, blah. And then put some call to action buttons. So I'm a graduate, blah, blah, blah. My skills are blah, blah, blah. And I offer services like social media, content creation, strategy development, analytics, blah, blah, blah. And I've worked with this one and the results are this. I work with him, results are here. So why choose me? Because blah, blah, blah. And then the last page. So basically, your portfolio convinces the client on why he or she should choose you. and then call to action. So you imagine you've already convinced the client. So you have the call to action on the last page. Let's collaborate. Take your social media presence to the next level. Contact me today to discuss how we can create a winning strategy for your business. So put your website, your contact number, and your email address. You can also put your social links at the end here. And once you're done, this link is shareable. So the access level should be anyone with the link. And you can just copy the link. You can also have your public view link. You can also create public view link so that anyone that has your link can view your portfolio. So that's how easy to create a free portfolio using Canva. So anyone with the link can view. Okay, so don't forget to edit the access level to anyone with the link and can view access. Right? So you can also save this as PDF, but it's easier to share this as a link since you don't need to share the PDF to your client, right? So you can turn this into a mini website. So just click website and you can publish this website. But this one is available on the Pro plan. If you're not on a Pro plan yet, this one's enough to showcase your skills to your clients. And that's how you create a professional portfolio using Canva. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment or hit like. So I'll be sharing more freelancing tips and tutorials every week. So let me know in the comment section what you think, or if you want to suggest the video, just let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.